Today we're going to tackle a question many of you have: how to delete a conversation on Snapchat. Whether you want to tidy up your chat feed or remove an old conversation, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open up the Snapchat app on your device. You'll be greeted by the camera screen, which is the starting point of all your snaps. To access your conversations, look for the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a speech bubble. Go ahead and tap on that icon to enter the chat section. Once you're in the chat area, you'll see a list of your recent conversations with friends. Now, find the friend whose conversation you want to delete. To do this, simply scroll through the list until you spot their name. When you've found the conversation you'd like to clear, long press on their name. This action will bring up a menu of options related to that specific chat. In this menu, look for the Chat and Notification Settings option and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings for that chat. Now, to delete the conversation from your feed, locate the option that says Clear from Chat Feed. By selecting this, you're indicating that you want to remove that conversation from your list. After clicking on Clear from Chat Feed, a confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to go through with this. Just confirm your choice by clicking on Clear, and just like that, the conversation will be deleted from your chat feed. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.